Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into a fascinating topic that has sparked debate among programmers and software developers alike. If you're working on building robust and reliable systems using formal verification tools like Dafny, then this discussion is for you. Specifically, we're going to tackle the problem of assertions in Dafny that utilize universal quantifiers. This subject might seem intricate, but stick with me as we unravel its complexities. The importance of mastering formal verification techniques cannot be overstated. As software becomes increasingly integral to our lives, ensuring its correctness and reliability is paramount. Tools like Dafny allow us to formally verify our code, catching potential errors before they become critical issues. However, when assertions involve universal quantifiers, things can get tricky. In this video, we'll explore why these assertions are problematic, how they're used, and what strategies you can employ to address the challenges they pose. Let's start with a fundamental understanding of Dafny and its use of formal verification. Dafny is a programming language that allows for the specification and verification of software using formal methods. One powerful feature of Dafny is its ability to reason about universal quantification, which essentially means making statements that apply to all possible values in a domain. However, when assertions in Dafny involve these universal quantifiers, they can become problematic due to their broad scope. An assertion with a universal quantifier makes a claim about every single element of a particular type or set, which can be computationally intensive, and sometimes even undecidable for the verifier. This means that instead of simply verifying your code, Dafny might get stuck in an infinite loop trying to prove something that is either too complex or inherently impossible to verify. To illustrate this problem better, consider an analogy from everyday life. Imagine you're trying to assert that every single person on Earth has a unique fingerprint. While this statement seems plausible and is indeed true, as far as our current knowledge goes, verifying it would involve examining the fingerprints of every individual alive, a task that's both practically impossible with our current technology and conceptually challenging due to the sheer scale. In software development, assertions serve as checkpoints for your code's correctness, ensuring that certain conditions are met before execution proceeds. When these assertions utilize universal quantification, they essentially become checkpoints that need to verify against an infinitely large dataset, which is where the complexity and potential verification issues arise. So, what should you take away from this discussion first? Understand the power of Dafny in specifying and verifying software, but also recognize its limitations when dealing with assertions involving universal quantifiers. Second, be cautious with how you formulate your assertions. A small oversight could lead to verification challenges that stall your project. Lastly, while formal verification is a powerful tool for building reliable systems, it's not a silver bullet. Sometimes, simplifying your assertions or rephrasing them without universal quantification can make the verification process more tractable. In working with assertions in Dafny that use universal quantifiers poses significant challenges due to their broad applicability and computational intensity. Understanding these limitations is crucial for effectively utilizing formal verification tools in software development. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of a complex but fascinating topic. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content on software engineering, formal verification, and related topics.